How to fix Windows keeps lagging and freezing. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix Windows keeps lagging and freezing. So before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First of all, open up your File Explorer. On your File Explorer, you'll find this PC. Head over there. Now, right under here, you'll find local disk, whichever local disk you're using. Either it's local disk, C drive, or D drive, whichever is your primary, just right click on it. Then you can head over to its properties. Tap on Properties. And here you'll find a lot of different options. What you'll need to do is head over to this Tools tab, and there you'll find Error Checking. Tap on Check, and you can tap on Scan Drive. After you scan drive, it can take some time, so let it run in the background. Here you can see it's going to take a lot of time, so you can run this in the background. After you're done with that, if there is an error on your drive, they will try to fix it, so you can just do that first. And after that, open up your CMD. Open up your command prompt, and right here, what you'll need to do is type in sfc, give slash, and type in scan now. Now, this process is going to take a lot of time as well. So after you hit enter, let it scan and just let it be. After you've done that on the background, you can also search for edit power plan on your search bar, then open it up. Now, right here, you will need to head over to Power Options. You can ultimately just go to Power Options from your control panel as well. If you don't know how to, open up your control panel. Under here, you will need to change this category to large icons. And there you'll see Power Options. Tap on Power Options, and here you are. Now, select the Balanced Plan. So from here, select the Power Balanced Plan as it is the most balanced one, and yeah, you can then change the advanced power settings. And right here, what you'll need to do is there you'll see power processor power management. Expand on that. There you'll see maximum processor state. Select that and change it. By default, it should be on 100, both of these, but change it somewhere between 80 to 90. Do it the same for both, and tap on Apply and then tap on OK. Now, this will not completely eradicate your freezing and lagging, but doing these processes will help you fix, reduce your lagging and freezing. You can also delete unnecessary files and folders that you have on your device, and that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.